Hey, everybody. Thank you for taking the time today. As Brian eloquently said, I'm not a connected home product, but we are a connected device for health. We were on the main stage and it ran late, and so Jason said head over here, and so I'm hoping this may be of some interest to you. 2 years ago, we got up on the main stage here and launched OneDrop. So, just 24 months ago, we launched the company here, and our goal is to transform the lives of every single person with diabetes and a smartphone, and take that same approach and bring that to transforming chronic care worldwide. It's a big problem. There are 30 million Americans with diabetes. There are 60 million Europeans with diabetes. There are almost 500 million people worldwide with diabetes, and it kills a person every 6 seconds. More than malaria, tuberculosis, and HIV combined. Diabetes is the most expensive healthcare problem we have today in society. It costs us globally almost $850 billion a year annually, and that's expected to balloon to almost $7 trillion soon. We can't treat 500 million people with diabetes. The healthcare system can't do it. We've got to empower 500 million people with diabetes to treat themselves. So what we've got is a Bluetooth glucose monitoring system, a mobile app, and expert coaching for the consumer. We've got a outsourced HIPAA-compliant care platform for the payer and the provider, and we weave all that together into a scalable, efficient, effective, anytime, anywhere, any care platform that we deliver for $39 a month or $499 a year. The solution is made up of our gorgeous Bluetooth wireless glucose monitoring system, and then all of the devices and apps that you already use. So if you use Strava or Fitbit or Lose It or Runtastic or any of the other apps in the universe, we bring all that together into OneDrop. And we share all of that data with your coach, who can message you in real time, or with your care team provider, who can also message you in real time and see all that data. Let me give you a quick look. Now, how many of you knew that diabetes care could be gorgeous or badass? That's what the OneDrop system is. And guess what? Our users love OneDrop. We're creating a fanatical army of OneDrop users that share and engage with the platform in all of social media and around the world, whether it's comparing it to their makeup kit, or the box that they get in the mail, or presents under the tree or at the beach, or making YouTube videos or unboxing videos. We're transforming the way people feel about their diabetes, because diabetes is a lonely disease. And when people feel better about it, they manage better. And when they manage better, we're seeing those kind of health outcomes. Here's an interesting character. Ghost Commander likes to Instagram his OneDrop with the things he needs each and every day. Sort of all kinds of people love OneDrop. And we made a lot of progress over the last 24 months. We launched 24 months ago. You can see at the top of the screen, at the far right, you can see that we were up on stage here a year ago with 15 million data points collected. Since then, we've gone through the FDA. We've got our manufacturing and supply chain and logistics in place, and we've launched the product commercially worldwide. Regulatory clearances and supply chain in place, always be shipping, FDA approved, CE certified, HIPAA compliant. Retail distribution, Apple happens to be our first retail distribution partner. So if you go to apple.com, you can find us there. Most importantly, we deliver exceptional health results. For those that know diabetes, a 1% drop in A1C is a dramatic drop. We're proving that we can deliver 1% drop in A1C with OneDrop Mobile and OneDrop Experts in just 12 weeks. With OneDrop Mobile and Experts and Apple Watch, we can deliver a 1.2% drop in A1C in just 12 weeks. With OneDrop Mobile, OneDrop Experts, and our Chrome and Premium platform, we can deliver a 1% drop in just 4 weeks. And with the same platform, we can deliver a 1.5% drop in 7 weeks. That's exceptional. That makes OneDrop one of the most efficient, effective diabetes platforms on the market, period, bar none, drugs, devices, digital, across the board. We have 175,000 users worldwide today, a user in every single country on the planet. And like I said, I got up on stage here, last year and said we've collected 15 million data points. Today, 222 million data points collected from our users, which allow us to say that we've got one of the largest diabetes, real-life diabetes health data cannons in the world. And we're going to be using that data to provide better insights to users over time. Just some traction, 600% user growth over the last year, 800% user session growth, 35,000 monthly actives, 6,000 daily actives, 4 million user sessions since we began, 6 million minutes spent in app. We're available in Chinese, Arabic, Spanish, and English. We're on iOS, watchOS, and Android, and we're working with some of the largest insurers in the world today. We're FDA CE certified. We've been in market 14 weeks with the paid product. We launched on Amazon.com last week. We launch on Prime next month, and we're planning additional rollout in the EU and the UK next month, and then Australia, Mexico, and Canada in the second half of the year. I'm Jeff Dachis. I have type 1 diabetes, and many of my team have diabetes. In fact, almost every customer-facing individual on my team has diabetes, and every single person on my team is affected by diabetes in some direct way. We make a platform for people with diabetes, by people with diabetes. I'm Jeff Dachis. This is OneDrop. Thank you.
One question. Go ahead. Yeah.
I have about 100 questions. But so really, who is your target market? How are you converting them? And are you actually seeing that non-diabetics are using this? Because I recently saw an article that some companies were surprised that non-diabetics were buying glucose monitoring systems, and they're seeing that as an additional market opportunity. So
our main opportunity sits with pre-diabetes, type 1 diabetes, and type 2 diabetes. So there's, like I said, almost 500 million people
who within
worldwide.
that target market? Is it a certain age range, a certain gender? Because they have to convert from what they're currently using to something new, and not everybody's willing to convert. So who are you? You can't target and satisfy everybody.
We think with our platform today, it's the most effective platform. So I'm delivering better health outcomes per unit of expense. Most importantly, we're less than a copay. So even if you're spending money through insurance on buying your test strips, I deliver unlimited test strips to your door for $33 a month, which is unheard of. We deliver unlimited coaching in that app for the same price. So there really is no comparable products in the market at the price point per value of health outcome unit. And so we're targeting all people with diabetes and pre-diabetes.
Fantastic. That is it. You did a great job. Thank you.
Great.
OneDrop.